All right, in this video, I'm going to share with you the brutally honest advice about YouTube and making money. And the thing is, you probably have not heard this before because, well, let's just face it, a lot of the gurus out there are just talking about how to get views, how to get subscribers, how to hijack a trend, and just how to get monetization going for yourself. Well, I'm here to tell you it's a huge mistake if that's all that you're focusing on. In this video, I want to help you so this way here, you don't make that mistake. All right. Now, this is also, I should let you know, this is something that I've been doing now for over 15 plus years. And it's allowed me to generate 6 and 7 figure incomes off of YouTube, several businesses. So I'm saying that not to brag. I'm saying that to say, this is advice that I would give my younger self, but also anyone else that I'm advising. So let's get into it. So there's going to be 5 things that we're going to be covering. All right. There's going to be 5 things. And actually, the 4th one has generated over $1 million. And I didn't even have to really do much other than post the videos. So that one there is a goodie. So let's just get into it. So number 1 is stop focusing on just AdSense, on the 1,000 subscribers, the 4,000 watch hours. Like, yes, do we want to get to monetization? Yes, but we don't want to do it for the revenue. Wait a minute. What are you talking about, Scott? I don't want to make money on ads. No, you do, but you almost want to pretend like that's a bonus, because what I'm hoping that you're going to do is that you are going to be using YouTube to build your business, to bring in more customers, to bring in more leads that lead to clients. If you're a coach, if you're a consultant, if you're a course creator, I want this to be bonus money. All right. So if you've been spending money on ads, maybe you're spending $1,000 on ads every month. Maybe you're spending 10,000. Imagine getting paid $1,000 a month or $10,000 to be able to build your email list. Last year, we were able to do just that. We actually built our email list on this channel, which is fairly new. It's just over 12 months old. And we got paid $10,000 from YouTube. And we built our email list to over 10,000 subscribers. So that's what I would do. It's a little bonus. All right. And that's the first thing that I would say, listen, just don't make that your main priority. All right. Number 2, focus on these 3 or one of these 3 in your niche. First one, health. Does your niche focus on someone's health? Does it make them healthier? If it does, you're on the right track. Now, let's say that you're not into health. Maybe you're not a fitness coach. Well, let's talk about the next one, wealth. If you're going to help someone better their wealth, whether that's you're helping them budget better, you're helping them increase their ranks in their job, or maybe you're helping them make more money in their business like we are. That's the wealth piece. And then the last one is happiness. That could be you're helping someone that just retired and they're kind of bored and they want to learn how to play the piano or the guitar. You're going to make them happier. Or maybe you're going to help someone in their relationship become happier. Now, there are some crossovers here because you could help someone in their wealth and that could lead to them being happier. But usually people are going to be interested in either one or all of those areas. So that's what I would say. Make sure that you're kind of focusing on that inside of your niche. Number 3, you want to build your audience first. Forget everything else. If you are right now selling a product, do not force it down your new subscribers' throats. That's the last thing that you want to do. If you're brand new and you're just starting, don't even think about what you're going to sell them right now. It doesn't matter because you don't have an audience, and you need to build what we call KLT, know, like, and trust. This is extremely important. And every single brand that I've built over the last 15 plus years has always followed that model. And by the way, this is what we call our 100K roadmap. And we're literally, as I am saying this right now in this video, we are following this to a T. And this channel, Live Video School, started a little over 12 months ago we already crossed $100,000 in revenue, and only 10,000 of that came from ad money. And actually, our total number is over 115,000, whoever's keeping track out there. All right. So that's what we want to do, though. We want to make sure we're building that audience, and we want to make sure that we're building the relationship with that audience. If you would like a copy of that, by the way, the 100K roadmap that we're following, just put 100K in the comments down below and we'll send it to you. Once again, 100K down below and we'll send you that. It's an 18-page guide that we have followed, but it's also what I've built over the last 15 plus years, and it's working again. All right, so let's move on. The fourth thing, promote recurring revenue products. This one here, my friends, has earned me over $1 million from really promoting other people's products. And people talk about passive income. This is probably the closest that I've come to passive income. Now, people can drop off. That happens. But honestly, to this day, I still receive a check from something that I promoted 8 years ago. And I'm still getting a check. And I believe the last time I checked, it was probably like $300 or $400. And I stopped promoting it years ago. So that is kind of passive, but that one there at one time was earning me over $7,000 a month. And that was just one affiliate product that I was promoting. And the way that I promoted it was very simple. I demoed the product of me using it and how I used it in my business. So if you're going to sell or you're going to promote affiliate products, make sure that you're actually using them and that you believe in them, or at least that you've tested them and you are a believer in the product or the company. I prefer to only promote products that we are actually using. But that right there has earned me, no joke, over $1 million to date on just promoting other people's products. So look for those recurring ones if you can. Those are the golden opportunities because those are ones that people will join. And as long as they stay subscribed, you'll continue to get that recurring revenue. It's pretty sweet. All right. Number 5 is, and this is a big one, the 2 C's, commitment and consistency. Commitment and consistency. I can't tell you how many people start and stop because they don't see the results. If you stick to it, you really figure out who it is that you're helping, you get really specific on that, and you show up and you help them on a regular basis, this is going to build a relationship with them. But also, even if you're only getting 100 views, 200 views, as long as you are offering something in exchange for their email address, which by the way, we cover that in the 100K roadmap. Once again, if you want a copy of that, put 100K down below and we'll send it to you, because if you are doing that, it's going to allow you to build a deeper relationship, which then is going to also get them to trust you. And what does that do? It's going to help you sell more of your products or the affiliate products that you are getting behind. All right. So that is what I would say. Stay consistent, commit to it, and just keep putting out good quality videos that's going to help that audience. Now, the biggest mistake that I see is people are not building that audience and they think it's hard, but it's actually not. And that's why I shot a video right here that breaks down our full strategy and how we've been able to get these steady leads and build our email list to over 10,000 email subscribers with free content from YouTube. Watch that video next, and I'll see you there.